Grabe yung coverage niya pala talaga. So I've been seeing Tear Cushion in my FYP, and finally I have the mini. So I got it in the shade Sand. So I'm not sure talaga if this would be enough, but kasi dito ako bumili sa Hong Kong. So I'm not sure kung meron na ba sila nung bagong shade ranges like the one in the US. But let's try this together. So bale binili ko mini lang kasi nga, alam mo na, meron pa akong ibang mga cushion and foundation, but I just wanted to try it. So ito siya, and ang cute niya, ang liit. So, pagka magta-travel, and if maganda siya, maganda siguro tong bilhin. So, ito siya, and of course, the cushion. And then, the cushion, ano to? Puff. Okay, and then, try it. Tanggalin natin yung lalagyanan niya. And, ito siya. Mukhang okay naman. In terms of smell, mabango. Okay. So, let's try it. Put it here. So, this is my face. Okay. So, sabi, pagka mag-apply ng cushion, one tap, and then, tap, 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 tap here for the excess. And then, ay, okay, sobra yung coverage niya, nagulat ako. Okay, okay. Oh, grabe yung coverage niya pala talaga. Okay. Ay, pati yung buhok ko nilagyan. Anyway, test lang naman yan. Lagyan din natin dito sa under eye. Dito din, para makita talaga yung coverage. But, okay. Try natin kung kaya abutin dito. Oh my God. And in terms of color, I think okay naman siya. Hindi naman masyadong light. That's what I was afraid of kasi baka masyado siyang light for me. Pero mukhang kaya naman. Carry naman. And oh my God! Isang tap lang yon. First time ko na-encounter. Sobrang coverage naman nito pala talaga. Kaya naman pala. Parang feeling ko sobra-sobra. Grabe. Grabe yung coverage. Wala akong masabi. And honestly, hindi ako sobrang nag-prep ng skin ko kasi parang for trial lang naman ito. But, mm, OM. Pagka ganito ba, magko-concealer ka ba? Parang hindi na. Tap lang. Okay. So guys, ito yung coverage niya. And I'm not sure. Parang hindi ako sanay ng sobrang ganitong coverage. But, OMG, and then dito, sa tinap ko dito, ang dami pa niya. Ayan o. Teka. Ayan. Dito. Ayan o. Ang dami pa niyang extra dito. Oh my God. Feeling ko pagka kinalat ko pa to, kaya pa to sa leeg ko eh. Alam mo yan? So, let's try to remove the extra using a sponge. So, let's try to blend it using this sponge para lang matanggal yung mga extra to make it a bit lesser or yung coverage niya para magpantay-pantay din. But, oh my God. And ang ganda rin, ang ganda ng coverage niya. At yung buhok ko nalagyan. Okay. I think sulit to. Parang feeling ko mahirap siyang maubos. And mahirap siyang gamitin ng on a daily basis kasi sobrang coverage niya. Tapos, ano dito? Open dyan. Okay, tanggal na. Okay. Oh. That's more like it. Ang dami nung natanggal dito na blend. But, OMG, the hype is real. Charot. Ayan o. Oh my God. Pati yung buhok ko nalagyan. Ano ba yan? Tanggalin natin yan. Anyway. So, what can I say? Let's try. Let's try it pag naglagay ng blush. Okay, and maganda rin siya talaga. Oh, very nice. And I think with the coverage, hindi mo na kailangan mag-concealer. OMG. Okay. It's really nice. And maganda yung pag-dry down niya sa face. Ayan, I like it, guys. Okay, so final thoughts about the Tear Cushion. The height and the coverage talaga is real. Nagulat ako nung nilalagay ko siya kasi parang sobra-sobra sa face ko. I wasn't expecting that much coverage in just one pump lang ganon. But yeah, I think it's nice. And if you really want full coverage on your makeup, this would be a good one. Hindi ko siguro mauubos to agad. Good thing I bought a small one. But yeah, I think it would also be nicer. And yung finish niya, I'm an oily skin girl and it looks nice. So, I will update you guys after kung sa susunod kung maganda ba yung wear test nito. So, yun lang.